Guys, so I need to work on checking these things called udders, just to make sure they're clear. If you don't know what udders are, I'll show you in a minute. I gotta pop open the hood. Had a big rain, clogged everything up, and that's why the bucket's there. It's gonna rain again. Sucks. So that's a different issue, or same issue I should say. Anyways, this area can get full, and now the wipers aren't working. I showed it earlier, and so now I'm gonna probably unplug the wiper motor for now. Anyways, this thing needs to be clear. I bet you the motor is all messed up. Someone popped this cowl out before, but I think the wiper motor's out. But there's a thing called udders. There's actually an udder there. I gotta take it out. It sucks because I just put the battery there, but anyways, over here, let me see if I could grab one. Just gonna squeeze it. You can usually get it from the bottom, but I'm gonna show you what they are. So what happens is that this udder is like, I guess, like cow udders, and they can get clogged up with crud, debris that's coming through here. And if they get clogged up, go backed up, you get overflow, and then you get leaks all over the place, which I'm trying to figure out. But these udders, at least on this side, it's okay. There's actually 3 of them, and I checked them already. So basically, they're kind of hard to get underneath from here. But if you get it from here, you can get it to that one. From what I read, is you can get it from the battery or behind the battery. So the battery's got to come out. Sucks. And anyways, that's how it is to squeeze it back. You just kind of squeeze it in there. There's little holes. I got another picture. I'll show you what it looks like that I found online. But check your udders. Check this out. Won't turn off. Hopefully it stays off. Maybe I got it. Nope. Won't turn off. Alright. Another thing, because it's soaked in here, I gotta do it. Check it out. If I do the alarm, it's gonna go off. Sucks that I gotta take things apart. This is a 10. Alright, which way does this go? Okay, that wasn't too bad. Nasty. Not too bad. Actually. But basically it was running down over here and down. Yep. It goes down here. But it's nice and clear now. So the good news is that wasn't the big issue, which is good. Alright, I'm just gonna rinse it out and put the battery back so the leaks have nothing to do with udders. Anyways, yeah, that's how you get to the udders. Thanks for watching. Project Z06. Still going. I'm dying.